Hi, my name is Dr. Jennifer Adams, and I'm the director of the NYU Langone Center for Empathy in Medicine. At the center, we aim to teach and study the care of patients through an empathetic lens. Empathy is a key skill to ensure patient-centered exceptional care, but it's complex and it's hard, and it's not hardwired. But the good news is it can be taught and enhanced through curriculum, reflection, and practice. Empathy is about connection. It's about belonging. It's about being curious, listening and learning from others, and understanding perspective. To ensure the next generation of our young doctors are armed with the skill of empathy, we start during week 1 of medical school with an empathy boot camp.
So I think the fact that I came into medical school expecting to learn all the sciences of medicine, and then the very first thing we learned was empathy. I think it represented a very positive shift in the way we think about medical training.
Collaborating with the Whitney Museum of American Art, we hone our students' skills in observations, perspective, and supporting diverse thought. What's really cool is this visionary educational approach is not just for doctors. As we all know, we don't just need empathetic doctors, we need empathetic lawyers and educators and leaders and welders. Now you're going to hear from our partners at the Whitney Museum of Art to learn just how we do this.
Hi, I'm Ellen Tepfer, the Manager of Teaching Strategies at the Whitney Museum in New York City. My passion is to create meaningful connections between art and new and different audiences. Still, working with medical students was a turn I was not expecting, but our shared goals soon became clear. Through art, we could help students to build skills of observation and interpretation, to revise their assumptions when given new information, to recognize that their perception can differ from that of others, and to become aware of their minds working in real time. And through these experiences, to build a practice of empathy. This is what we want to share with you through a transformative, interactive workshop where you will learn not only how to look at art, but how to see better into your own mind and heart.
Join us as we take our audience at South by Southwest on a mini crash course with our Whitney art educators, honing your empathy skills and learning how you can bring this visionary curriculum back to your arena.